Hemi time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. It's a 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT 4x4 with that 6.4 liter Hemi V8 underneath the hood. It's paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC. Actual miles 131, 327 on the odometer at the moment. Let's take a look at this front grille, front fascia. As you can see, everything blacked out, front parking assist. Of course, nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Check out all the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Brilliant black crystal pearl with black interior. You're also going to notice that the side windows are tinted, so know your local and state laws as far as the percentage of window tint that you can have on them. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see it's not full of any major nicks, dings, scratches. Hey, it's black. You're going to find an imperfection here or there on it, but overall, this one shows well. Of course, four-wheel disc brakes all the way around. Black wheels, kind of giving it that murdered out look. A couple notes from the technician on this one. Checked out very well in the service department. It does have dual exhaust that you're going to see in the rear, and that is complete. Front to rear catalytic converter still intact. Brakes are like new, front and rear. Shocks and struts were actually replaced in 2023, about 3,000 miles ago is all. And once again, all those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. There'll be over 100 pictures of this car online. Underside, interior, engine bay, car from every angle. Check it out. Take a look down this driver's side. You stick around to the very end of the video while Jason take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. We'll start it up here just shortly. Let you hear it, take a peek underneath the hood, and of course, we'll take a little closer look at that interior. And as you can see, driver's side, not full of nicks, dings, or scratches either. Hey, if you're a Dodge fan, Jeep fan, Grand Cherokee fan, Hemi fan, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. You can see nice rear seating area with the leather and suede inserts. Of course, all your monitored amenities that you're going to get with the power windows, power mirrors, power locks, memory seating on this particular model. Door panel looks good. And once again, leather seating surfaces with that suede inlay. Power seat over here on the driver's side. Of course, steering wheel controls and tap shift, so you can run an automatic transmission. Similar to a manual with tap shift. There's your exact miles, 131, 327. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Nice little bark to it. You're going to see no service, engine soon, check engine lights, anything like that. It's going to need either an oil change reset on the display or a fresh oil change. Nothing major there. Top of the dash looks good. Of course, your driver's information center with all your controls for heated seats, electronic climate control, all your monitored amenities once again on your infotainment, if you will. And you can see controls, steering wheel. Of course, with the SRT, you're going to have launch controls, different suspension settings between track, sport, and of course, snow. Nice nice vehicle for year-round. And not only does it look good, it sounds good. Nice throaty exhaust note. Let's slip up to the front. I think I can probably get this one one-handed. Did notice a couple little dings right in the hood. I don't know if I'll get them to show up. There's 2 Audis. Nothing major on that, but I'll try to point them out. It's being awful fussy. This SUV is in nice shape, especially for the miles. There we go. All right, underside of the hood. The hood liner nice and clean. Here it is. There's the bad boy, 6.4 Hemi. Power steering, brakes and air. Air blows cold. It's one of those, turn the key, get in and go. Have some fun. (2014) Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT 4x4. Number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. That's where all the picks are. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email, and hang around a little longer. Jason's going to take it for a drive.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Here we have a 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT. This is an automatic right here on the center console, or you can paddle shift. AC is blowing cold in this vehicle today. And you can tell that SRT stands for it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be faster. And this is a good example of that. You get all the comfort of the Jeep Grand Cherokee with a lot more power. Our gauges are all working. The temperature gauge almost halfway up. The fuel gauge right at the halfway point. We have a digital speedometer as well as a tachometer with a needle. The factory stereo is working great.
I like static cling, but that's what happens.
Very nice bucket seats with cloth in the center. Brakes nice and smooth. Power steering excellent. Really corners quite well. That sport package making it much better in the corners. And I mean, I can give it half throttle and accelerate very quickly. This will keep up with a lot of things on the road. You get the height of a truck, you have the capability of an SUV. Check out all the pictures and learn more about this Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT at uniqueclassiccars.com.